अपराजित धाम दिखाई नहीं।
When the Yog Maya removes the cover of the Dham, the covering of Maya, then we can actually see the real Dham. That's why we go to Yog Maya Mandir, Purda Maya Masjid, Purda Maya, Purda Mata. The name is Purda Maya. Purda Maya. Purda means Shrest, superior. Is a superior of the Yog Mayas. One is Mahamaya and one is Yog Maya. So people come to the Dham and they say sleep in the Dham, and by sleeping it's like getting Dandavat. It's like doing Dandavat on the Dham and you get the fruit. But we have to have Vishwas, we have to have faith. So that's why three. Bhakta Bhakta Dhuli, Bhakta Bhakta Dhuli, and the remnants of Bhakta. What is the instructions? The dust. Instructions. You follow the instructions. The dust represents instructions, no? Oh, Dhul. Okay, representative of the Dhul. What Gurudev is saying, Dhul is you walk alone with Gurudev. So the dust is behind. You follow. That means you follow Gurudev's. You follow his instructions. See, because the Dhul, the dust, is always behind you. So that's why when you follow the dust. Follow the dust means the dust means it's okay now. Yes. So the dust means following the instruction. So if you're following, it covers the dust covers your whole body. When you are following the dust of Gurudev, so the dust means following his instruction. Hari Katha. Yeah. So the water that is washed, the Bhakta, is water represents Hari Katha. If you have not listened to the Hari Katha, then you don't get the fruit. So you must listen to the Bhakta's Hari Katha. That is the Bhakta Jal. That is the water that is washed the Bhakta's lotus feet. So you should have snan in the Bhakta. You should have bath in this Hari Katha. Koil, crow also has a bath. You know how he baths? Kak snan. It is called kak snan. You know, like bas. The crow just puts his head, when he has a bath, he just puts his head a little bit inside and then he shakes off the water. So in Bangla it is said kak snan. Kaks, snan. Kaks means crow and snan is bath. So what is Bhagavad Gita? Bhagavad Gita means listening to Bhagavad Gita and then remembering. So you have to listen, you have to take the bath with your ears in the Hari Katha. And what is the third? And what is the third? Is the Bhakta Mahaprasad, remnants of Bhakta. So you take, if there's a remnants, there's a sweet prasad of rasgulla, then you take it. If it's chili, then you won't take remnants. Did he say?
In my plate, no chili.
So Gurudev saying, in my plate there's no chili.
Uchishta kya hai?
What is the uchis? What does the uchis represent? The heart. Each mood of, no. Unki bhav. It's his heart. So uchis represents his bhav of the bhakta. Bhakta dhuli, bhakta bhakta's water that's washed his feet. One is dust of his lotus feet, and the third is remnants. So the remnants represents bhav. One is bhav and one is abhav. This bhav, there is no bhav, then it's a bhav,
ये
the mood of
वैष्णव
भक्त।
धाम की विचार इसमें लिखा है। साढ़े अभी ब्रेकफास्ट दे रहे कुछ नहीं? हाँ?
breakfast, prasad. See, there is
हाँ,
a breakfast
प्रसाद।
of prasad. So that to wrap,
भावक रहे जनार्दन
the
भगवान
remembrance represents the bhav.
क्या ग्रहण करते हैं?
What is bhav?
भाव ग्रहण।
What is the
भाव रहे
good?
तो
The God wants is a bhakta's bhav. His devotional, his devotion.
इसलिए भाव लेकर
That's why you should have a bhav. And
इसलिए भक्ति के भी 3 स्टेज लिखे
so
दिखाते
there are 3
हैं।
stages
एक
in
है
bhakti.
अनुसिद्ध भक्ति,
One is Arup Siddha Bhakti,
दूसरी
and second is
हाँ, संग सिद्ध भक्ति,
Sangha Siddhi
तीसरी
Bhakti, Swarup Siddha,
स्वरूप सिद्ध भक्ति
and third is Swarup Siddha Bhakti.
है। भक्ति के तात्पर्य भक्ति के 3 स्टेज दिखाते
There are 3 stages in
हैं। पहले
bhakti.
होता है आरोप।
One is Arup Bhakti.
आरोप क्या है?
What is Arup?
Imposing।
Arup means
कोई
imposing.
बात जो कहा उसके विश्वास करते हैं।
So whatever Guru says, you have
अनुभव
faith in
नहीं
it.
हो रहा।
You haven't had
गुरुदेव ने
realization.
कहा-
Arup means Gurudev has said something, but you haven't had realization.
चिन्मय
So if Gurudev says that this deity is Chinmay,
है। इसलिए विग्रह सेवा करो।
so that's why you should
इसलिए
serve the
गुरु बात
Vigraha.
पर विश्वास करके उसके आरोप करके सेवा करो।
So Arup, you have some viswas, you have some faith in your Guru's instructions. So you worship the deities.
आरोप सेवा करो।
You are serving the deities.
इसलिए आरोप
That is
impose।
called imposing. It's Arup.
First stage that is called imposing.
So the
Imposing
first stage is
to practice devotional service to God. आरोप
practice
सेवा।
devotional service to the Lord, imposing. That is called Arup Siddha Bhakti.
और दूसरी क्या होता है? संग सिद्ध।
Sangha Siddha
संगेन
Bhakti.
सिद्ध जयति
So the
संग
second is Sangha Siddha Bhakti.
शुद्ध भक्त के संग आदि
You are in the
करने पर
association of a pure
जो
devotee,
सद्गुण आदि आ जाते हैं।
And you get
Associated pure devotee of Lord, then you attain
then you attain
the good
the
qualification.
good qualifications from
And
pure
शुद्ध भक्त के
devotees by
संग आदि
Sangha.
के फलस्वरूप गुड क्वालिफिकेशन सद्गुण आदि आ जाते हैं।
So you get,
सत्व शौच दया पवित्र
so you have
आस्तिक
daya, you know, like your compassion, you
ये
have
सब सद्गुण आ
compassion,
जाते
you have truthful,
किंतु ये
So you
सद्गुण
get all
भक्ति
these
के अंग
qualities.
नहीं है।
but that is not the ang of bhakti.
All these good qualifications is not the limbs of bhakti.
Bhakti. The good
जैसे ज्ञान
qualifications
वैराग्य
is not the
को
limb
बोलना
of
है
the
भक्ति
bhakti.
अंग। शुद्ध भक्त के संग करने से आपको क्या होगा? ज्ञान आएगा।
When you have an association of a Suddha Bhakta, what happens? You get gyan, you get
वैराग्य
knowledge.
भी आएगा।
Also Vairagi, renunciation
इसलिए
also
बात
comes.
चैतन्य चैतन्य कृष्णदास कबीरदास क्या कहा?
Kaviraj, Krishna, in Krishna Das
ये भक्ति
Kaviraj
के
is
ज्ञान
saying,
वैराग्य को कबूल न है
Chaitanya
भक्ति
Chaitanya
अंग।
is saying, this is only the limb, they are limbs of bhakti, but it is not
ये
bhakti.
सद्गुण जितने भी
So
सद्गुण
these
बताया गया,
qualities you
26
have,
प्रकार के
the 26
सद्गुण
qualities
बताए।
of a Vaishnava,
क्वालिफिकेशन का, किंतु उसमें एक गुण जो है विशेष कहा गया क्या?
the one of the is very superior
Krishna?
from the topmost qualities in that
कृष्ण ही का शरणम।
Krishna
एकमात्र
Saranam.
श्री कृष्ण
So
में
what is the top quality of
और
this
कांति की जो
quality?
शरणागति।
You have a Saranagati, you are totally
ये विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
surrendered,
है। और
one
बाकी
pointed
सब
surrender
क्या
to
गौण
God.
लक्षण कहा गया?
Then all the other qualities are primary,
अमानी मानव
sorry, secondary.
ह्यूमिलिटी,
Humility,
अद्वैतवादी लोगों की इतने
also
humility
Advait,
क्या बात है?
Advait
इतने दया
Advaitas,
दिखाते
they
हैं।
also show, they have also humility, they show so much humility.
है। अपने मुख से देना करते हैं, हम बोल दे तो गुस्सा हो जाएंगे।
If we say something, then
अपने
they'll
कहेंगे,
get
"I'm
angry.
very wretched, stupid, nonsense,
And with their
rascal."
mouth, they will speak, oh,
अरे
I'm
ये बोला,
wretched.
"आप तो stupid, nonsense."
Yeah, but if you tell them, oh, you are stupid, then they won't like it.
हैं?
They'll get angry. But
आज
that's true
बात
for
ऐसी है
everyone, isn't it? That's true, isn't it? Yes.
अमानी मान, ये सब
अमानी
ये
ना।
सब गौण लक्षण का।
This
किंतु ये
is
भक्ति
called-
के सहायक
This is a,
है। This is
this
helpful
a
for
helpful. It's helpful
practice the
for,
devotional service to Lord.
it helps you to practice bhakti.
है। इसलिए संग सिद्ध में
So that's you are in
Sangena?
that Sangena Siddha.
सिद्ध जायते भी संग
Sangha Siddha Bhakti.
है। साधु संघ के द्वारा
Sadhu Sangha.
आता है।
So when you are under the Sadhu Sangha, under the
और
associations
आरोप
of a pure
स्वरूप
devotee,
सिद्ध
then
भक्ति
you get good qualities. And Swarup
Swarup
Siddha
Siddha
Bhakti,
Bhakti क्या?
what is Swarup
भजन
Siddha
करते
Bhakti?
करते।
Then when you are
चित्त
doing
में
bhajan,
जितने भी
you're doing bhajan,
मालिन्यता जो है
all the dirt
मालिन्य
that's
का
in your
समझ-
heart,
impurity
The
वो क्या हो
impurities
जाता है,
that in
दूर
your
हो
heart is cleaned.
जाता है। और धीरे
So the
धीरे क्या होता है,
impurities in the
चित्त
heart
की
is
सौंदर्य
destroyed.
चित्त में जो पोटेंशियल जो है
The potency
वो
that's
धीरे
already
धीरे
in your
प्रकाशित
heart
होता है,
awakens.
शुद्ध सत्ता
So
आ
the
जाता है।
potency that's already in
और
your
शुद्ध
heart,
सत्य के
by
ऊपर
cleaning the heart, it
संबित
slowly
और
awakens.
हलादिनी
Sambit,
प्रतिफलित,
Haladin,
शुद्ध सत्य
and
जिसे
then
आत्मा प्रेम सूचम
Sambit
सब
and
भाव और
Haladini
रुचि भी चित्त
potency
समाचरण
also
कीदसो
manifest.
भाव उच्चते है, समझ में? वही भाव परिपक्व होकर के क्या होता है, प्रेम के
Realize.
रूप में प्रकाशित होते हैं।
So this bhava manifests in the form of prem, in the form of love.
तब क्या कहते हैं,
That
अपने
heart,
स्वरूप को तो जो
that the heart,
वृत्ति वो
the
प्रकाशित
many,
होता है।
then the swarup of the siddhi is
जीवन की जो
awakened.
स्वरूपानुबंधी
The swarup
वृत्ति
siddhi that's already in the heart, the potency is there, that potency awakens in your heart,
रायानंद संवाद में महाप्रभु
is manifested in the
जितने
heart.
प्रश्न करते
So
हैं
Rai
आगे
Ramananda
आगे महाप्रभु क्या
asks,
यह बात जो है वो
Mahaprabhu
क्यों
asks
कहा?
many questions to Raman.
जीव
Keep
के
on saying more, saying more.
अनुबंधी जो वृत्ति
So
वो
he's
प्रकाशित
defined
नहीं
it.
होती।
So until
है तुम्हारे पास?
until the swarup in your heart is not
क्या वृत्ति
manifested,
कहा गया?
swarup
स्वरूपे अनुबंधी
Swarup
वृत्ति।
means realization
जो
of the
तुम्हारे
Swarup.
है,
The Swarup
वो
that's
प्रकाशित
already
नहीं
in your heart is not awakened.
उसके
You haven't got
प्रकाशित करना
realization
है।
of it. That you have to
इसलिए
awaken.
नित्य सिद्ध कृष्ण प्रेम शब्द को बुनाई श्रवणादि शुद्ध चित्ते करो उदय। श्रवणादि शुद्ध चित्त
श्रवण
के द्वारा उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, प्रकट करना।
Prakat karna. So by
श्रवणादि
bhajan,
भगवत
Shravan
कथा
means
आदि
listening
श्रवण
to
में क्या
the
होता है, चित्त
Bhagavad.
निर्मल हो जाता है।
When you
जन्म
listening to
दान
the
संज्ञा
Bhagavad,
संपूर्ण
then
श्रवण
your
के
heart
ऊपर
is being pure,
निष्ठा भक्ति के परिचय
getting
देते
pure,
हुए इस
purified.
श्लोक को बता रहे हैं। विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती माधुर्य कादम्बरी
The
में।
Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying in Madhurya Kadambini,
नष्टो
this slok.
प्रायसु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवतेषु गया।
So
ये धीरे-धीरे क्या होता है,
slowly,
सब
slowly,
नष्ट हो जाता
the dirt in your heart is being purified,
है। नष्टि की भक्ति उत्पन्न
is being cleaned.
है। और फिर धीरे-धीरे निष्ठा,
And then
रुचि,
with the
आसक्ति,
nirta, ruchi,
भाव,
shraddha, ruchi, bhav,
और
then
अंत में
ruchi,
प्रेम
bhav,
आदि उत्पन्न
and then after bhav, prem manifest.
है। बीच में तो अनेकों जो है
In the middle,
obstacles है।
there are many
to
obstacles
attain your perfection।
to attain your final perfection.
विशेष रूप से 5 प्रकार के
There are 5 types
बाधाएं
of
बताए गए।
obstacles.
क्या क्या बताओ?
Dulabh, hriday, anartha,
There are 5
nivritti.
obstacles to attain your perfection। हाँ?
Lie,
लय, विच्छे,
Vitse,
अवृत्ति, कसाय,
Kai,
रसोत्साह,
Kasai.
हैं? लय माने
Lie means
श्रवण कीर्तन आदि स्मरण में जो बार बार नींद आना, इसको
if
लय
you
कहा जाता
fall asleep during hearing Harikatha and chanting, then that is called
है।
lie.
कीर्तन में
In
नींद कम
Kirtan,
आ जाता है।
in Kirtan
आप
you
कीर्तन
won't
करो,
fall
देखो,
asleep.
नींद भाग जाएगी।
And if you do Kirtan, then the sleep will
श्रवण
go
में
away.
नींद आ जाता है।
If you are listening to Katha, then you fall asleep.
निद्रा देवी आती है।
Then Nidra Devi, the sleeping,
अच्छा बातें सत्य ही नहीं है।
the sleeping Devi will come to put you to sleep when you are
जब
listening to
हमें
Harikatha.
अनुभव नहीं हो रहा है,
So if you are not getting,
रुचिकर नहीं हो रहा है,
if you are not getting realization, we haven't got
श्रवण
ruchi,
में रुचि नहीं आता है।
then in listening to Harikatha you won't have ruchi.
आज अनेक प्रकार के द्रव्य
So there are
सामग्री खाने के
many-
द्रव्य सामग्री दे दिया।
If somebody
महाप्रसाद
gives
आ
you,
गया।
you got a Mahaprasad with so many different delicious Mahaprasad,
किंतु
different
हो
very
सकता
many
है
varieties.
आपके वो वस्तु खाने है,
But
रुचि नहीं।
but you, it could be that you don't have ruchi, you don't have taste to have all this prasad, or you don't have
मंद
hunger.
खुदा, मंद खुदा समझो,
Manda,
लेस हंग्री,
hunger. You have less hunger.
जिसके
If you
भोजन
don't
में
have, if you
रुचि
don't
नहीं
have
हो रहा है, अनेक
ruchi,
प्रकार भोज्य
even if
वस्तु
you
आ जाए,
if you don't have ruchi
समझ
in
में आ रहा है
bhajan,
कि नहीं?
yes. If you have no
भोजन में
hunger,
रुचि
even
नहीं,
bhojan, if
अनेक
you don't
प्रकार
have any
भोज्य
ruchi
वस्तु आ जाए,
of prasad,
वो क्या
it's
करेगा?
because even
इधर से
because
थोड़ा लेगा, उधर से
you
थोड़ा
will
लेगा।
take, if you don't have
और फिर
ruchi
दोष
in
देखेगा।
the food, you take a little bit here and
इसमें
that, and
नमक
then you
ज़्यादा
will
है,
see,
इसमें
you
नमक
see
कम
fault in
है,
it. You will say, oh, there's
ये
salt
कच्चा है,
here,
वो
this is
पका है।
kacha, this is not
हम
good,
कहते हैं,
this is
रोटी
cooked,
ठीक
this
से
is
बनानी,
uncooked,
ये-
this roti is not cooked properly.
अच्छा, हम कब बोलते हैं जब
When
भोजन
do we
में?
say that? When we
जब
don't
भूख
have
कम लग रहा है।
ruchi, when we are
और
not, sorry,
तीन
when we
चार
don't have
दिन
any
आप भूखे
hunger.
में हैं।
But if you are hungry for 3 or 4 days, and
और
then
भोजन सामग्री
if
आ
somebody
जाए,
gives
बस।
you something to eat, then you will eat
आँख बंद करो।
everything. With your closed eyes, you will eat everything.
साधु साधु पदे पदे
Sadhu,
अहो
sadhu,
कितने
pade.
सादा है, आहा,
And you will say, wow, what nice food it
और
is.
मंद भूख होने पर
Even then you will say,
ज़्यादा
oh,
है,
there is less
ये मिर्च है,
salt, or there is too much salt,
ज़्यादा कम मिर्ची डाल।
or there is less chili.
जब भूख लगते हैं बोले
But
जो
if
कुछ
you are
दे भाई,
hungry,
चाचा अपन प्राण बचा।
Cha-
भूख लग रही है ना,
if you are hungry,
जब
then
हम
you will
लोग
eat anything.
भूख लगते हैं,
When you are
तो मिर्च
hungry,
हो, लवण कम हो,
you don't
जो-
care if there is
खा लेते हैं। फिर बाद
chili
में
or
देखा जाता
salt
है।
or less. You'll complain.
अच्छा बाद में क्या होता है, पेट में दर्द होता है कि नहीं?
What happens is then you'll have pain afterwards. But at that
खाते
time you
रहते
will
हैं,
eat
क्यों
everything
भूख लगा
because you
था।
are so hungry.
अपेक्षा श्रवण से अधिक नींद किस में आ जाता है?
Shravan, when you are
स्मरण,
less,
जैसे आप गायत्री
if you are,
मंत्र जप करते हैं,
especially when would you
हैं?
feel
जब
more
कैसे करना
sleepy
चाहिए?
is when you are smaran.
जीभ
Smaran means
लगा के नहीं।
remembering. Means you are meditating
जब
on
करने की
Gayatri
काम
mantra,
है,
you feel more sleepy.
should not move your
Tongue.
tongue.
When you are doing your Gayatri mantra, you should not
चित्त
move your
पटना
tongue.
होकर चित्त के स्थिर
So
करके,
you have to
गुरु प्रदत्त
fix
मंत्र
your
आदि
mind and do your Gayatri mantra.
मंत्र जप कर, किंतु इसका स्मरण का है, स्मरण
That is called smaran, remembering,
और उस समय क्या
meditating.
होता है? नींद आती
Then what happens? You feel more sleepy.
है।
Om bho bho, and
सौ हवन के
And you
साथ
knock
चलता
off.
है, सो गए।
fall asleep.
कभी कभी कौन सा मंत्र जप करें वो भी भूल जाते हैं।
Sometimes you forget what mantra you were
कभी-कभी
chanting or
हाथ से
meditating. And sometimes also when you are holding the chanoi,
उतार जाता है।
utar jata hai.
हैं? हाँ चला गया बताइए,
So even
होता है? हाँ, होना नहीं चाहिए ना। हाँ?
but
नहीं।
so you
किंतु
feel
देखो
sleepy.
कीर्तनाक भक्ति में क्या होता
But when you do kirtan,
है? नींद सबसे कम
you sleep less.
है।
Sleepy
इसलिए हमारे
doesn't
जीव
come.
को सही
Sleepiness
बात है,
doesn't
बोले
come
जीवन
when
क्या
you're doing
करो?
kirtan. So what do you do in Kali Yuga?
नाम
Nam Sankirtan. Do Nam Sankirtan.
संकीर्तन, कीर्तन की मतलब
Do Sankirtan.
है।
You
एक
will-
होता है कीर्तन और
One
एक
is
होता
called
है
Kirtan
संकीर्तन।
and one is called Sankirtan.
जिहा स्पंदनम इति कीर्तनम।
So when
है।
the
जिहा को स्पंदन हिलने से ही उसको कीर्तन माना जाता है।
so when the tongue moves,
जिहा
it's called
स्पंदनम
Kirtan.
इति कीर्तनम।
Kirtanam.
संकीर्तनम
And what is
सर्वे
Sankirtan?
मिलित्वा।
Sankirtan
भगवत
means
नामादि कीर्तनम
when you are in an association of other devotees in a,
उच्च स्वर से कीर्तन नाम
and
करते हैं।
together
संकीर्तन
you are doing Sankirtan loudly.
समस्त भक्त एकत्रित होते हैं। हरे
Krishna,
कृष्णा
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
है। वो ताल लय मान हो असली है। कर्ण रसायन हो अथवा नहीं।
If you are even if you sleep, even if there's instruments or not instruments, you'd still have bhav in the kirtan. One day in Mathura, Gurudev was giving Harikatha.
कक्ष में गए गुरुदेव
He
बैठे।
went to his room.
तो एक भक्त आकर के बोले
So one
गुरुदेव
bhakta came.
कृष्णदास
to
ने
Gurudev.
आज बहुत
So
सुंदर
he
कीर्तन
said, "Oh, today Krishna Das
कीर्तन मुझे अच्छा लगा।
kirtan was very nice today."
गुरुदेव ने कहा
Then Gurudev said,
बोलो कितने गुरुदेव ने कहा कृष्णदास कितने समय तक कीर्तन किया ज्यादा
"So,
नहीं।
so how long did the Krishna Das do kirtan?" Krishna Das did the kirtan for 15 minutes. Oh, so he said, "Oh, that 15 minutes kirtan was very nice." So Gurudev said, "How long did I speak to Harikatha? For 1 hour."
गुरुदेव फिर कहा
Then Gurudev
अच्छा
said,
तो मैंने क्या किया।
"So tell me, what did I do?"
गुरुदेव ने उसको पूछा
So Gurudev asked him,
कीर्तन किया।
Krishna
गुरुदेव
Das
बोला,
did
"मैंने
kirtan.
क्या किया?"
So Gurudev said, "So what did I do?"
हाँ? ना गुरुदेव आप तो कथा बोला।
So
अरे
Gurudev
कथा
said,
नहीं,
"Ha." So he said, "Oh, Gurudev, you spoke katha."
कीर्तन है ये।
So katha is also kirtan.
है? लोग साधु से कीर्तन किसको कहते हैं? जो
So
ताल, लय, मान,
people
अभिनव,
think that
प्रगति,
kirtan
वाद्य
thinks,
यंत्र आदि
well,
का
there's all
होता है।
these musical instruments,
मृदंग
tal,
बज
and
रहा है,
there's a
ताल बज रहा है।
rhythm, and there's mridanga, and there's a
सर से बोलते हैं
harmonium, and
है,
everybody's
बहुत
chanting
मधुर
with a
से बोलते हैं।
beautiful
ये
voice,
अच्छा है।
sound, and
ये
melody.
कीर्तन है।
That
बोले,
is
महाराज
kirtan.
बहुत अच्छा कीर्तन किया।
And they said, "Oh, Maharaj, you did very nice kirtan."
किंतु कीर्तन के विशेष तात्पर्य क्या है?
But what is the meaning? What is the real meaning of kirtan?
तुम्हारी स्वर तो सुंदर है, तुम उस जगत में जब जाओगे ना सब के सिखा करके तब
If you have a very nice
ट्रेनिंग दे करके सब भेजना
real
पड़ेगा
sound,
यहाँ पर।
if you have a very
यहाँ
nice
पर जो कुछ
sound
करते
or
हो
a
ना, सब
voice,
यहाँ पर छोड़ दिया जाएगा सब
whatever
यहाँ
you
पर।
go, you go around the world, then you can have training with the voice. Hare
ललिता
Sundari.
हमारे लैया कवे श्री राधिका पदे काले मिलाई रे आगा सेवा समर्पिवे आगा सेवा समर्पिवे आगा सेवा समर्पिवे हमारे लैया कवे श्री विशाखा पदे संगीत सीखीव
So when we like
कृष्ण लीला
Kirtan,
सब उन्हें सीखना पड़ेगा फिर
so you have to learn that. You know, like Vishaka is saying, when whatever you learn in this material world,
उस जगत में
but when you go up in the spiritual world, you have to learn everything again.
ललिता जी के पास क्या
So you have to go to Lalita, and what you have to learn from Lalita Sakhi, what you have to learn from Vishaka Sakhi,
सब वहीं पर
and what you have to learn from Rupa Manjari, Bhakti Vinod Thakur. You have to learn everything there.
हाँ?
No, that if you can now or maybe later, that thing you're telling before, maybe 30 minutes before, about the three considerations and also about the if the Dandavats in Navadvipa. You're discussing this because some internet problem and I couldn't translate, not in English, not Portuguese, not recorded. And could you?
Not translate. Which is not done.
Which
At
part?
at that time,
I recorded it.
I know. But
Oh.
if you could again explain Gurudev, then we record this in English.
That time, when you say to sleep in Navadip Dham, it's like in Dandavat Pranam.
You were discussing
that
this
type.
and also the three considerations, like
If
the
you
third.
lay down
If you,
on the ground of Navadip Dham,
but with
that is,
faith,
you get the result of
Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat. Dandavat Pranam. And that means it depend on your
Faith,
भाव.
vow and faith.
वही भाव से
So if you,
फल मिलता है.
so
और
it
दूसरी
depends
क्या है?
on your vow
सरल
that you
भाव.
sleep. And you should, second is, you should have saral, simple, you should have
If you lay
faith.
down on the dham,
If you,
then with faith, as like baby, बालक के भांति स्वभाव होनी चाहिए. हैं? बालक के स्वभाव क्या होता है?
what is this? What is the nature of the baby?
बेबी. हैं? है
Simplicity.
क्या? कभी रोते हैं,
Sometimes he
कभी
cries,
गुस्सा होते हैं,
sometimes he gets angry, sometimes the baby
और
gets
कभी
angry,
हंसते रहते हैं.
sometimes the baby is laughing.
बालक जो है देखो
If
क्षण
you
में क्या होता है?
look at the baby,
हंसता है फिर गुस्सा हो जाता है.
at the same time he will laugh. One minute he's angry, and the next minute he's
बालक के
laughing,
स्वभाव जैसे है.
and third minute he's crying. So this is the nature of the child. That is simplicity.
कोई कुटिलता नहीं.
There is no kutilata. There is no duplicity or
When you said about the
hypocrisy.
three conceptions about the food bathing water,
The-
first conception is if the person is a real sadhu, then even though you have faith or not, you get hore, like it's going effect slowly, or if only with faith, then it's coming the result. Third conception.
थर्ड कंसेप्शन
The third
विचार मैंने
conception.
बताया.
The third conception is
क्या बताया? साधु यदि हो
if he's a sadhu, if he's a real
विश्वास
sadhu,
होता और विश्वास कर भी पानी भी करे
even with faith or without faith, you wash his feet, you will still get the fruit.
धीरे धीरे जैसे
But you'll get this fruit slowly. Why slowly?
How much?
Because
अनर्थ डर
how much anathas there is in your heart. Accordingly, that's how your progress will be.
एक प्रकार के कीचड़ होता है वो
There's
थोड़ी
one
सी
type of
थोड़ी
muddy,
नहीं जाता.
like there's some dirt. It doesn't,
देखा है कि ना?
it cannot be removed
वो राहत
by washing. You have to really
उसे
clean
खबर
it.
घिस घिस करके
You have to
निकालना.
rub it very
और
much.
एक प्रकार के
And then,
कीचड़ होता है
and
थोड़ा
then
सा
there's
पानी
one
डाल
type
दो
of
तो
dirt that you just put water and it will wash off.
क्या
Like dhul, like
डांस के
Same.
नहीं कीचड़ भी है.
so कीचड़.
कीचड़ भी कई तरह के कीचड़ होता
कीचड़,
है.
like there's some dirt that's
तो ये
hard to
निर्भर
remove.
करता है आपके कीचड़ किस प्रकार है.
So it depends on what type of dirt you have in your heart, what type of anathas you have heart in your heart, how deep rooted they are.
धाम में बस नवद्वीप धाम से कृपा करे उदार
Navadip Dham is Udar Dham, so it is doing kripa, it is giving kripa to you.
इसमें
But
भी
because
माया जाल बिछा हुआ है।
but also there is Maya Jal. The net of Maya is also covering the dam.
योग माया की ईद कार्य है।
So Yog Maya is
जब हम शरणापन्न हो जाते हैं
so Yog Maya is see testing us. Avis.
तब
Then when
नवद्वीप धाम के वक्त
we become Sarnagata, surrendered, then the Yog Maya would remove the covering, and then we would know the real Dham. So it depends on
भावग्राही जनार्दन
how much bhav you have.
भगवान के भाव ग्रहण कर वो कैसे होनी चाहिए सरल विश्वास
So that bhav should be with
सरल
saral, simple,
विश्वास
vishwas,
विचार
with faith.
गुरार हमार बोलने नहीं चाहिए गुरार आचार गुरार विचार लोई ले है I belong
I belong
to
to
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Mahaprabhu.
So you cannot get the
By
you
just
have to
saying,
accept
that I
Chaitanya
belong to
Mahaprabhu.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
विचार and आचार
you don't get that. You have to
तब मिलेगा
have faith in his, and you have to accept his instructions.
गुरार आचार गुरार विचार नहीं ले पाएगा
Ora Vichar, his instructions,
ये समझ गया महाप्रभु की विचार ले
you have to take his vichar, means his thinking. Mahaprabhu's thinking and Mahaprabhu's instructions you have to accept. Kutilata, you have to give up Kutilata. You have to become simple.
महाप्रभु की देवी विशेष वैशिष्ट दिखाई
That is the speciality of Mahaprabhu.
गौर प्रेमानंद
De Hari Bol, that simplicity.
चलो लॉय दीक्षेप हो गया
Loy Vichar.
लॉय तो बोला के बोला दीक्षेप अभी नहीं हुआ लॉय दीक्षेप पद्धति कसाय रसा
Kasai.
अभी तो एक बोला के श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण